Hi Achara, Alana and Shaw o Let's Learn Irish, and welcome back to another Irish video. Today we're going to be learning how to wish someone a happy Thanksgiving in the Irish language. Thanksgiving in the Irish language is Lá an Altaithe. Lá an Altaithe. To wish someone a happy Thanksgiving in Irish, we can say this. Lá an Altaithe, honna duit. Lá an Altaithe, honna duit. If we wish to speak to more than one person, we can say this. Lá an Altaithe, honna daoibh. Lá an Altaithe, honna daoibh. Lá meaning day, an Altaithe meaning Thanksgiving, sona means happy, and daoibh or duit is to you, depending if you're talking to one person or more in plural form. Agus sin é a chairde. For more Irish, more videos, and to get in contact with more Irish learners and Irish teachers, please be sure to join our online Irish community at letslearnirish.com. Bí gí páirteach.